7.1, we're going to investigate conversions between cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Take a look under the table of measures in the very front cover. It's on the right-hand side. It says U.S. Customary System, and it's the second set of units. It says units of capacity. You'll see that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, 1 quart equals 2 pints, 1 pint equals 2 cups, and 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. For whatever reason, with the U.S. customary units, we have to memorize these things. It's not as easy as the metric system where we just added 1,000 or added 3 zeros, multiplied by 1,000. There's some memorization that belongs with this. So I think when you think back to our last unit test, several of you, when we were talking about how many ounces to a pound, several of you just wanted to add 2 zeros or 3 zeros to those pounds like we had done with metrics. But remember, it was 16 ounces to a pound. It's just something we have to commit to our memory. It's like spelling or like a math facts time test, okay? Let's turn, so now you know where the resource is. Let's turn to page 229. I said 229. Okay, what I love about your introductions to these customary units is they always give you a little bit of a, I guess they give you these equivalency maps, right? So let's start on the first line. 0 gallons equals 0 quarts. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 2 gallons equals 8 quarts. 3 gallons equals 12 quarts. 4 gallons equals 16 quarts. And 5 gallons equals 20 quarts. Let's start with this. What about this word right here? What does it remind you of? Or what comes to mind? Or what association can you make? Is that what you were thinking? Yep, quarts. It means quarters, right? And the same quads, right? That QU, quad means 4. So I love what Reese, he's already come up with a rule. When you have an amount of gallons times 4 equals quarts. So just to test that, 1 gallon times 4 equals 4 quarts. 2 gallons times 4 equals 8 quarts. 3 gallons times 4 equals 12 quarts. 4 gallons times 4 equals 16 quarts. 5 gallons times 4 equals 20 quarts. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs sideways. How you feeling about gallons to quarts? Are we okay with the language that we're quarts? Are we okay with times 4, right? Good. Take a look at the second line, quarts to pints. Something that you're going to be asked to do, you're going to be asked to make conversions from gallons all the way down to pints and all the way down to cups. So you're going to have to recognize this, okay? I'm going to change the color with this. And instead of just black, I'll go with green. So if quarts are, we'll do pints in green. So how many pints are in a quart? Yep, 2 pints in 1 quart, right? So if I'm thinking about quarts, how many ways do I have to divide this? See this increment right here? I need eyes here. This increment right here, I'm looking at quarts from 0 to 4. How many do I have to divide this into to find where 1 quart is? Yeah, into 4 parts, right? So I can do that little division, right? So if 1 quart is right here, that's the same as 2 pints, right? What about 2 quarts? What does 2 quarts equal? 4. What does 3 quarts equal? 6. What does 4 quarts equal? 8. So here's what's interesting. When you start to make these conversions, Can everybody see that I took that quarts and pints chart, eyes here, and I shrunk it down, and I stuck it just right in here, right? So I did from 0 to 4. So when I look at gallons, how many pints does 1 gallon equal? Equals 8 pints, right? I made that conversion from gallons to quarts to pints. Thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down about that idea. Okay. And what's the generalization rule you could say from quarts to pints? Quarts times what equals pints? Times 2 equals pints, right? So just to check that, looking at my quarts, 1 quart times 2 is 2 pints, 2 quarts times 2 is 4 pints, 3 quarts times 2 is 6 pints, and 4 quarts times 2 is 8 pints. Thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down with that one. I don't see everybody's thumbs here. I know it's been a while since we've done a math lesson, right? Okay, last one, pints to cups. I'm looking in this little green, so I want to take this pints to cups, and I'm going to shrink it down. And since it goes up to, I'll say up to 4 or 5, I'm going to stick it right into this area here, right? So how many pints, or how many cups are in a pint? How many cups are in a pint? Yes, sir. 2 cups for a pint. So what, if I said pints times what equals cups? Pints times 2 equals cups, right? So if I'm looking at 2 pints, how many cups is that? 4 cups. If I'm looking at 4 pints, how many cups is that? 8. If I'm looking at 6 pints, how many cups is that? 12. If I'm looking at 8 pints, how many cups is that? Since I've done the conversions now, I have this nice map here. I've gone from gallons, quarts to pints to cups. How many cups are in 1 gallon? 16 cups in 1 gallon, okay? Here's one way to find that, by the way, since you're going to be doing these conversions. If I take 1 gallon, right? What did I say I have to multiply it to get to how many quarts? 1 gallon times 4 equals 4 quarts, right? Okay. Now I have that 4 quarts. How many times did I need to multiply that to get to pints? 4 quarts times 2 equals 8 pints. And can we see we have that conversion right here? 1 gallon equals 8 pints. And then how many times did I have to multiply pints by to get to cups then? Right, so I could take that 8 pints times 2 to get to 16 cups. And you can see 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. That's how we get that equal conversion. Everybody thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down about this idea about converting all the way from gallons to cups in this case. Okay. Knowing the conversions and the multiplication, the rules is always powerful, but we're going to get an idea of it. Just start with these nice number lines, these equivalency number lines. Can everybody see when I'm looking at these number lines? They've done a great job. Everybody look at gallons. Look at 2 gallons. Can you see you can draw the line down through the quarts and pints number line and through the pints and cups number lines to find the equivalencies there as well. So if you start at 2 gallons all the way at the top, how many? Nope, you can't do that. You can't do that actually. You have to, because I shrunk it down. But you're going to have to know that these rules that we developed here. What's that? Look at, that's right. Look at the ones on the bottom. Are there any questions? I know. I want to make sure that we get any questions.